Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the GPU and driver so Resolve has the resources it expects. Open Device Manager or System Info and note Model and VRAM. This tells you whether the warning is legitimate. Once done, download and install the latest WHQL or Studio driver. Drivers often fix detection issues. Make sure your OS GPU preference is set to the discrete card for Davinci Resolve, not integrated graphics, because Resolve will warn when it detects a mismatch in available GPU power. Next, you adjust Resolve's internal GPU settings to match the driver and hardware. In Preferences, go to System then Hardware Configuration. Pick CUDA for NVIDIA, Metal for Mac OS, or OpenCL for some AMD cards, so Resolve and driver speak the same language. Then explicitly select your discrete GPU from the list rather than auto. This prevents confusion. Also check GPU scopes and memory allocation values to ensure Resolve uses VRAM efficiently. Because incorrect mode or finally, restart Davinci Resolve and your computer to apply changes. Many detection fixes only take effect after a reboot. If the warning persists, reset Resolve preferences or delete the config. Dat in the Resolve app data folder to force a fresh hardware scan. Then open a small test project and watch GPU usage in Task Manager or Activity Monitor to confirm Resolve is using the discrete card. If you still see the warning, try a clean driver reinstall and double-check BIOS settings for GPU priority as one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.